Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Did this one on Thursday. Remember, the markets were closed on Friday, so this is the first day back since Thursday that the market has been open. And if you watch the video on Thursday, you saw where all these lines come from. So I'm not going to go over those in detail, but the chart definitely does need to get updated, as today was another nice green day, and it accomplished a pretty important thing. So that's right where I want to start off the video. Again, if you watched the video from Thursday, you heard me talk about this purple line here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And you can see today, not only did the price break above it, as it did right here during this hour, but probably more importantly, at least in my opinion, is it was able to maintain above it these last couple of hours here. So that's a nice little sign there that not only was it able to break above the 50-period, but it was able to maintain and hold above it. So that was the nice little interesting dynamic that really transpired today. As far as updates go, just going to extend these over. These are definitely still levels of support. Same with this one, and again, this level down here is a very important one. That's why that one's thicker than these other two. But the newest level of support is that 50-period right there. That's valued right at about 76 cents. That was a resistance, but now that it's broken above it, has turned into support. The other thing I want to focus a little bit more on is just these resistance levels up here. This one I drew here is right around the 86 cent level, 86 and a half, whatever you want to call it. The reason I'm kind of hesitant to give it exact value is you can see a couple of times the price went above it slightly, right there. So right around this area, give or take, maybe the best way to put it is between 85 to 87 cents is going to be that key level of resistance. And then after that, the kind of big thing that I want to point out is the next level of resistance is up here at, we'll call it $1.04, $1.05. And the reason this one's pretty significant is with a break above that, essentially the chart goes back in a blue sky breakout territory. If I scrunch up the chart, yeah, there's a high way up there at $1.47, but from a $1.05, $1.04, whatever you want to call it, all the way up to $1.47. If anything, a miniature blue sky breakout. So however you want to classify that or whatever, but I personally would call it a blue sky breakout, with a break above that $1.04, $1.05 area. Obviously, one step at a time. First, got to get above this 86 cent level down here. But if it keeps making up moves like it did today, it should only be a matter of time. So overall, nice looking chart. And the week is young. Still got 4 days left. So we'll have to see how things keep on going. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. When you sign up, as you'll see, you will receive a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader and make an investment into yourself as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our educational course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was FNMA. Thanks for listening.